Any set that employs the services of Angel Unigwe, I will come to that set and make sure filming does not hold.
My country people, what I don't finally pass Gary for where actor Angel Unigwe do. Legendary Kanayo O Kanayo don't come out publicly, can't tell the whole world. Say from now henceforth, the 10 actor Angel Unigwe no go dey act any Nollywood movie at all. So any producer will insist or employed her to act any movie, he will definitely come to that set and disrupt the whole thing. Almost no be small thing. Waiting they happen. They talk say Angel Unigwe's mother, they allegedly collect money from producers. When it's time to shoot, she will go to wherever her daughter is and take her daughter. I don't know why. This is an alleged story. Now, Kanayo O Kanayo, they talk that one. Say, no be today the woman they do this thing. Say, he don't do it to a lot of producers. Even to him. Now he own, now he be the bone we enter inside the woman's throat when no go come out.
In the movie industry, I am making this video to save and protect the entertainment industry in Nigeria. The particular woman has been holding producers to ransom. And this is unfortunate, it has happened to me. Unfortunately, she is Angel Unigwe's mother. You know the actress, Angel Unigwe. A contract is reached by every producer, either orally or written, and is all respected. But I found out that immediately this woman takes money from you, everything changes. I have gotten reports from people before it happened to me. Now it happened last night that she took her daughter at 9 p.m. when a particular day we agreed had not expired. 12 midnight is expiry into another day. She came at 9 p.m., took her daughter. And this is a clarion call for every producer. Please, I beg you, in the name of professionalism and all that unites us, from this moment, 21st day of June 2024, any set that employs the services of Angel Unigwe, I will come to that set and make sure filming does not hold.
This story no dey good at all. If it's true that this is what happened, it no dey good now. Waiting the woman they try protect. If you truly want to protect your daughter, take her away from Nollywood entirely and not collect money, and after everything you no go allow the daughter act. It's not good. This is somebody's business. There is a contract your daughter signed. Even if you want to protect your daughter, the best thing you can do as a mother is to be there. You know, maybe you don't want her to act all this kissing scene or all this thing because of her age. You can be there, watch her, be her manager, and not allow her to collect money. And after everything, you will now take your daughter away without her completing the job. It doesn't make sense. This whole story is an alleged story. I don't know because I'm not there. I'm just reporting based on what is being said. I mean, my people waiting on a thing. Drop your opinion for comment section. See you guys on my next episode. Don't forget to like, follow this channel for more news with the everybody.